Today's review is going to be on the pendant hanging lights. They have a hemp rope and they are farmhouse style with a hanging L bracket made out of wood that you can put on pretty much anywhere. So let's open it up and see what comes inside the box. Okay, so this is a 2-pack. Comes with 2 pendant lights, 2 of everything, 2 hemp wrapped cords, standard plug with a switch. Same on each. It also comes with those L brackets I was telling you about that are made out of wood. It's nice quality. These can be painted or stained also to match your decor. We'll put those together during the installation video portion. There's the second one there. This comes with 2 pendant shades, and here's the little kit pieces to put them together. It's the frame, hanging hardware, directions, and the 2 pendant shades. So I like how these come shipped like this so they don't get crushed. So you put them together yourself, that way they ship a little safer. So these will go wrapped around these pieces parts here, and we'll show you how that gets installed again in the video. And that's it inside. So I have the perfect spot for this next to my daughter's craft table downstairs. So let's go downstairs and we'll start putting this. So before we go downstairs, I know I said we're going to go downstairs. The lighting's a little better upstairs here, so we're just going to do a time lapse of putting these parts together. Now, I only have room for one of these, but it comes in a 2-pack, so these could go on the side of your bed and where your nightstand would go or anything like that, or you can just use one in one spot of your house and one in another. So like I said, I'm not going to be using both today, but I'm putting together one, and we're going to be using one. So let's get started with putting it together. It should be real quick and easy. Okay, so now we have it set up. There's only one more thing to do, and that's to turn it on. So let's hit the switch. Perfect. So I'm going to turn down the contrast here so you can see just how nice the pattern shines through, because it's a lot brighter on the camera. Depending on how many watts your bulb is, you know, it would equate to how bright your lamp will be. I have a 60-watt bulb, and it's just enough to light my daughter's extremely messy craft table. But as you can see, it looks really nice. It's got a really nice kind of goes with anything type cream color. Like I said earlier too, you know, the little base right there, the L bracket can be painted or stained to match. I have wood shelves, so it matches as well. I kind of just have the cord haphazardly going through right now, but I am going to use this hardware kit that comes with it, which actually has the hooks that will go across the ceiling, and then it'll bring it to the plug that I want it to go to. That way, if you do decide to take it somewhere a little bit further away, you're going to have it look intentional and look really nice. So I definitely like this product. I think this is a really cool thing. Like I said earlier too, it comes in a 2-pack. I only used one. You can use them either side by side. I didn't have room on the other side there. You can use them on the side of your bed, like a nightstand light, but it's off the nightstand. You can see just how well that lights up there. You can also use it maybe on the side of your televisions, or just pretty much the possibilities are endless. But like I said, only used one today. It comes in a 2-pack. I highly recommend it.